That's it, right? Thank you.
You cute!
Not cute, so cute.
Welcome to Vlogmas episode 21. Oh my god, so I just threw this hat on because my hair is a mess. I just got it from Target, testing out to see what it looks like. I'm thinking about getting my hair straightened maybe tomorrow for like Christmas. And so I was thinking to wear it with, like, you know, my little straight hair. I still have the tag on it because I was trying to figure out if I want to keep it or not, but I think I'm gonna keep it. I mean, just threw it on. So $12.99 at Target. Whew, wow, that was a lot. So I have been kind of in and out all day, not like physically outside, but kind of like in and out of work, online, laptop stuff. And so I was I left off telling you guys that I was like finishing up packing. Didn't finish at all. And the daylight has left me at this point. So now I'm dealing with like this light. So I have exciting news. I received my lens today. This is my child, my baby. It is beautiful. If everything worked out, the clips that I used from the very beginning of this vlog are the clips from this new lens. So I kind of wanted to talk about that a little bit. I'm not no professional, just a regular like person who just does some research online and have been doing some research for quite a while now when it comes to investing in a new camera as opposed to investing in a lens. Finally landed on this Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter refurbished lens. It's on the lower, so it's like on the average end of how much a lens costs. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box because I feel like it's gonna vary like at whatever point you go and check it out. So I'm going to leave it in the description box so that you guys can check it out if you're interested in investing in a new lens for some reason. Just to kind of like speak on that topic of like lenses, you know, I found in my research that you can still take, you know, a rather older version camera. What I have here is the I have the Canon Rebel T5i. So it's an older version because now there's like the T7i, I think is the latest version. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I just added a really dope lens to it, and this actually is a very staple lens. So I'm really excited because it's a lens that is very versatile. And I actually have another lens. It's called the 50 millimeter lens, which I can show you guys. It's a very it's called, I think it's like called the Nifty 50 or something like that, and it's just like this little lens, and it's great, but like it's not as versatile at all as my new one is. So I'm like, oh my god, like my kit is growing and I'm really excited about that. The only thing I have to get now is a mic, because when it auto focuses, it does have like that tick 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 sound, and for video, unless I have like music overlaying it, and unless I never really actually use the audio from the camera, but just in case, I'm gonna actually invest on getting a new mic. Nothing too crazy. I actually think I saw like a very budget-friendly one for like $20, and I think it's like a lapel mic, the ones that you like put on yourself. And the reason why I felt like it was a good time to invest in it was that I have been on YouTube for 5 years. I have not been consistent for 5 years, and I definitely wasn't as dedicated to actually making this a career until about 2 years ago. So I really don't count like the first 3 years, but it did help in kind of becoming and really discovering like what my voice was gonna be like. So yeah, it's been it's been quite a long time, but I feel like it's still like, I'm very new to it. And so I felt like it was time to invest in a new lens. The next step would be investing in a new camera, but I think that, you know, baby steps here, like, do what you can. So if you're looking to just try to amp up an old camera that you have, my suggestion would be to look into an affordable lens that will just bump up the quality of your work, of your video content, and kind of take it from there. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a professional. I don't know like super technical names to certain things that we like to see, you know, like the depth of field, or like, for example, that blur background, or the bokeh, or whatever it's called. Or bokeh, I don't even know how to, I think it's bokeh. You know, all those things. I've just personally spent so much time doing a lot of research. So I really hope like this helps someone. I've fallen in love with tech, and like the camera I use to vlog is the Sony a5100. I mention it all the time. But I haven't bought a lens for this. Like I literally use the kit lens, and I think that like for even like this T5i, I've used the kit lens for a while, and this technically isn't even my camera, it's my sister's camera. So I think that I'm really excited to like test this out and continue to learn how to use it best. I'm getting a call. I guess the final word that I would say on how to choose the best lens that works for you is to do the research, is to find out like, okay, what's the look that I want? What's my price point? Am I ready to invest in a lens? Should I save a little bit more? And yeah, are you actually in that place where you're serious enough with your video content, your YouTube channel, where you actually want to like actually invest into it in this way? So yeah, I just love it so much. Oh my gosh. So moving on from that, tonight is a movie night with my nieces, and I'm so excited. It's not all of them, but I'm so excited because we're gonna be watching Home Alone, and Home Alone is like one of my favorite, like all-time favorite Christmas movies, like the series, and it was one of Curtis's favorite series as well. So it's just like very nostalgic to kind of watch those movies. So we're ordering some pizza, and we are gonna have a good time. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for a little bit of it because I really do want to just kind of hang out with them. In the meantime, I'm about to hop on a call that I really need to be on right now.
Right?
What?
So, hello guys, I'm doing a video. So, welcome to Follow You Me
Vlogmas.
Welcome to Vlogmas.
Say hey, Ray.
21.
How did you know what's going
We're
on?
gonna watch.
How did you
We're
know?
watching Home Alone 2. So, bye guys.
Are you two having a good time? Alright.
Now what?
Now what? I don't know.
I need to go in the front.
No, you don't. Oh, you're doing too much. So guys, I'm officially a reindeer. JK, I'm not a reindeer, I'm just me. Don't want anybody taking me serious. Okay, so I've officially started packing or wrapping my gifts. So I only did one, and I kind of wish I had a black marker, but I don't. So, but this is what it came out like. It's very like rustic looking. So I'm actually going to probably put this probably on the side so it doesn't take away from the look of it. But yeah, I guess this one is gonna have to just have it because whatever, you know. This is my brother-in-law. He'll be fine with it. I think it'll look cute. So the box, like I said, is from the Dollar Tree. and it comes in like packs of 3, and it's like actually not that big. It's really not that big actually. And what I did was I used a roll of burlap and I cut it in like first in half, and then the half I cut it in another half so that it created a thinner string, I guess, or a thinner ribbon. And then I tied it around, and then I have, and you can get plants from, like fake plants from the 99-cent store, but I had this old like IKEA plant that I used to use for decor, but I don't use it anymore. It was just kind of like away. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to use this one, pull the little, let's see if I can pull one out with one hand. So you could do that. And then just stick it in the loop of the ribbon, and that creates like a nice little rustic. This is my style, like this is me. I'm just saying that maybe you might like it. You can really add it in any way you want it to be, but I figured like this is my type of decor style, so I might as well reflect it in my gifting style. So if that was at all helpful to you in any way, shape, or form, give this video a thumbs up. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these gifts as much as I possibly can and call it a day. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas.